Get ready, because the crypto world is absolutely exploding with news today, and you're getting it first on Bitcoin Bulletin. We've got market-shattering surges, major institutional plays, surprising global sentiment shifts, and long-dormant players making their move. It's a whirlwind, it's unpredictable, and it's all happening right now. You do not want to miss these updates. Stick around, because we're diving deep into what it all means for you. Let's go. A surge unlike any other. Is this the dawn of a new bull cycle or a dangerous volatility trap? We're dissecting Bitcoin's monumental leap past $110,000. What's driving this incredible climb, and more importantly, can it last? We'll break down the technicals, the market sentiment, and what potential pitfalls investors need to watch out for as prices skyrocket. This isn't just a price movement, it's a signal that could redefine the current market landscape. We're talking about the forces at play, the whispers in the market, and the critical indicators that could tell us whether we're heading for new all-time highs or a sharp correction. Understanding this surge is key to navigating the volatile waters ahead. The data is coming in, and the implications are massive. Are we witnessing the start of something historic, or is this a fleeting moment before a significant pullback? We've got the insights you need to make sense of the chaos and position yourself for what's next. But the story doesn't end with price action alone. Hold on tight, because we're about to explore how major financial institutions are reacting to this evolving digital asset space. Back in the game, a major U.S. bank is reigniting its Bitcoin custody service for institutional clients, signaling a significant shift in how big money interacts with digital assets. After a pause due to regulatory headwinds, this move, powered by a partnership with NYDIG, is a direct response to the explosion of spot Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year. We'll delve into the specifics of this revived service, the regulatory landscape that finally allowed it to return, and the crucial role it plays in bridging traditional finance with the burgeoning digital asset economy. Discover why this bank is betting on Bitcoin custody again, the types of clients they're targeting, and how this decision reflects the growing institutional appetite for crypto. We'll also look at the numbers. U.S. banks' significant involvement in servicing Bitcoin ETFs and the sheer volume of Bitcoin now held by these products. This isn't just about one bank, it's a broader trend indicating increased acceptance and integration of Bitcoin into mainstream financial infrastructure, offering a regulated pathway for large investors. The implications for market stability and accessibility are immense. From institutional confidence to global perception, we're shifting gears to understand how the world views Bitcoin's trustworthiness. Trust factor, global perspectives revealed. What's the world's average trust score for Bitcoin, and where do different nations stand? A groundbreaking survey from Cornell is shedding light on this critical question, revealing fascinating regional divides and surprising correlations between trust, risk perception, and economic conditions. We're diving into the data that shows Nigeria leading the pack while Japan lags, and exploring why Bitcoin is trusted more than national governments in some politically unstable regions. We'll also examine how Bitcoin stacks up against traditional assets like gold, real estate, stocks, and bonds in the eyes of global citizens, and uncover the nuanced views on its volatility, fraud reduction, and privacy. The survey highlights a compelling link between financial stress in emerging markets and increased Bitcoin adoption, while stable economies show less interest. This isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding the human element behind crypto adoption and the factors that build or erode confidence in digital currencies on a global scale. Prepare to see Bitcoin's reputation through a completely new lens. And speaking of surprising movements, get ready for a story from the very early days of Bitcoin that's making waves today. A ghost awakens. A Bitcoin wallet dormant for nearly 13 years has suddenly sprung to life, moving millions in BTC that have been untouched since the network's infancy. We're tracking the journey of this whale address, which has transferred over $53 million worth of Bitcoin, a staggering sum that raises countless questions. When did it last move? What was its value back then, and what is it worth now? We'll explore the on-chain data, the wallet's transition from old address formats to modern SegWit, and the mystery surrounding the owner's identity and intentions. Is this an early adopter cashing out, an estate settlement, or something else entirely? We'll also look at the recent trend of other OG wallets becoming active and what these movements could signify for the market. This event is a stark reminder of Bitcoin's long history and the vast sums accumulated by early believers. The implications of such large, dormant holdings re-entering the market are significant, potentially impacting price and liquidity. Join us as we unravel the story behind this incredible digital time capsule and its sudden reappearance. And that's just the tip of the iceberg for today's massive crypto news. Don't go anywhere, because we've got a rapid-fire recap and all the calls to action you need to stay ahead. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. What a ride! Bitcoin surged past $110,000. A major U.S. bank revived its crypto custody for institutions. A global survey revealed Bitcoin trust scores varying wildly by region, and a 13-year-old dormant Bitcoin whale just woke up and moved millions. That's all for today, but the action never stops here. Make sure you're subscribed to Bitcoin Bulletin, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any critical updates, smash that like button if you found this valuable, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more exclusive content and real-time updates, follow us on all social media platforms. Stay informed, stay ahead.